So I'm doing a what's in my pouches. The first pouch is my Damier Bean. I have my native deodorant, my Tide to Goat stick, my Dior lip gloss, my chapstick, my hand lotion, medication like Motrin for headaches and stuff, my single hand sanitizers, my glasses wipes, and a tweezer, some perfume samples, and some cough drops. That's everything I put in my Damier Bean pouch. Next is my monogram pouch, also known as a mini pochette. I have my AirPods. I have a charger brick. I have my wired headphones. And that's about it. I also keep another charger wire, but it's not in this pouch for today. Okay, now I have my toiletry 19, and there I keep my keep some tissues. I have my Flonase. That's for allergies, just in case you didn't know. I have Zyrtec, also for allergies. I have hand sanitizer in the spray bottle. I have another hand lotion just in case. Some Tums, no, it's not Tums, that's Pepto. Trubel, Pepto, and some, what is that called? Probiotics. I have floss. They're not really good floss, but I have that. And I have another chapstick, and that's it. I keep all three of them in my Neverfull MM, and that's how I keep my bag organized.